India once again recorded the biggest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus cases with 6,654 new patients in the last 24 hours, taking the total to 1,25,101 cases. The country has registered 3,720 deaths linked to COVID-19 so far. Of these, 137 patients died in the last 24 hours. A total of 51,784 patients have recovered in India. And in a greater relief, the doubling rate of cases is also 13.5 days, which the centre says could have been much shorter without a lockdown. A group of migrants waiting outside a school in South Delhi's Lajpat Nagar for coronavirus screening were sprayed with a disinfectant by the civic agency. The South Delhi Municipal Corporation later said it was a mistake as the worker who was handling the spray could not handle the pressure of the machine and the recoil changed the direction of the spray. However, visuals appear to suggest it was done with intention. Health bodies have warned against the use of disinfectant on human body because it is harmful, toxic as well as ineffective. The governments of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Assam and the administration of Jammu and Kashmir have decided that arriving passengers will have to stay in quarantine. The Kerala government on Friday said that passengers would have to stay in home or institutional quarantine for 14 days. A surge in cases in Kerala is attributed to the arrival of passengers on evacuation flights. The other states are also exercising similar caution. Hundreds of migrant workers are risking their lives crossing the Yamuna River on foot at night from Haryana to go home in Bihar. The river flows along the Uttar Pradesh-Haryana border. The migrants have been crossing the river for weeks now. The water level in Yamuna Nagar's Haryana is low in peak summer and before monsoon. From there, the migrants cross over to reach Uttar Pradesh's Saharanpur, from where they head to Bihar. This movement goes on despite Shramik special trains being arranged by the centre and the states to take migrants back home. China on Saturday reported 0 new coronavirus infections for the first time since it started reporting data in January. The Chinese government called this a major achievement in the virus fight. The official death tally in the country of 1.4 billion people stands at 4,634, well below the number of fatalities in much smaller countries, raising doubts over the transparency of the Communist Party's reporting of figures.